Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the English class again. I am Kritika Paliwal and today we are going to start the third chapter of our English literature. Okay. So for that I just want you to open this book, this literature reader, English treasure. Okay. So just a little information for you that we have completed 7 chapters from our Pansy book, and on that note we have completed the first term syllabus of English grammar. Okay, now we will start our literature syllabus that is remaining. So today we are going to study the third chapter of our English literature, that is Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Jack and the Beanstalk. ठीक है? It is given on page number 15. So please kindly open that page. Page 15. Okay. So if you have opened that page, you can see that there are these types of pictures given on the first page of the chapter. That is page 15. ठीक है? A pumpkin is made, a basket is made, a shoe is there, and a apple is there. That is a little eaten. Okay, so I have tried my best to make those drawings for you on the board. Okay, I have made this just for you. So the first one here, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. I am writing the fairy tales names. Why? Because you know this story, Jack and the Beanstalk, is a fairy tale. फेरी टेल क्या होती है? फेरी टेल, फेरी मीन्स परी, टेल मीन्स कहानी. तो क्या ये परियों की कहानी है? हर फेरी टेल परियों की कहानी होती है? प्रोबेबली नॉट. ओके, फेरी टेल उनका नेम होता है, बट जरूरी नहीं है हर फेरी टेल में परियां हो. ठीक है, बट एक चीज कॉमन होती है. वन थिंग इज ऑलवेज कॉमन इन अ फेरी टेल, एंड दैट इज द मैजिकल थिंग्स, द एडवेंचरस थिंग्स. ओके, so you know what is a fairy tale? Fairy tale is a children's story about magical and imaginary things. ठीक है, fairy tale जो बच्चों वाली स्टोरीज होती हैं, जो बच्चों को बहुत पसंद आती है. ठीक है, it is a children's story about what? About magical and imaginary things. ठीक है, imaginary things जो हम सोचते हैं, जो in real life the things like that doesn't happen, but in our imagination all those things can happen. Okay, and some magical things also. So all that contains all that is what happens in a fairy tale. और जो Jack and the Beanstalk story है, जो अभी हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, that we are going to study, that is the third chapter of our English literature. It is a fairy tale. Okay, so I am damn sure that you are going to enjoy a lot. But first let us do a warm up exercise. Let us recall all the fairy tales. Okay, so you know in my childhood times I used to watch so many fairy tales that get telecast on the Cartoon Network channel and the Disney channel. Okay, you know, see, I know very well आप कौन से channels देखते हैं. Like Hungama channel you used to watch a lot. You used to watch Shin Chan, then Doraemon, then Ninja Hattori, Kitaretsu, Pokemon, right? All that types of cartoons you used to watch ना. छोटा भीम, उससे थोड़ा सा और आप ऊपर आ जाओ. You know, try to watch some fairy tales. Okay, that are easily available on YouTube. YouTube पे बहुत आसानी से available होती है. So you know, watch some fairy tales. You will get a great experience of watching fairy tales. So there are 4 such fairy tales, जिनके जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स है वो यहाँ पर आई हैव ड्रॉन फॉर यू. सो स्नो वाइट एंड द सेवन ड्वार्फ्स, दैट इज वन फेरी टेल दैट आई लव द मोस्ट इन माय चाइल्डहुड टाइम, एंड द सेवन ड्वार्फ्स. ओके, देन सिंड्रेला. Okay, then here the elves and the shoemaker. And the last one is Little Red Riding Hood. we have to do what? We have to match the items that I have drawn for you on the board. We have to match the objects with the correct fairy tale. Okay, so one has been done for you in the book. What has been done for you? See, this pumpkin, it is in relation with Cinderella. Okay, Cinderella. This pumpkin is related with Cinderella. So the book has given number 1 to it. Similarly, we have to do. Okay, so now Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. Can you tell me with which thing can we relate it? Snow White and the 7 dwarfs is related with this half-eaten apple. अच्छा ये एप्पल आधा ही क्यों खाया हुआ है? You know what happened in that story? जैसे ही Snow White इस एप्पल को थोड़ा सा खाती है, वो फेंट हो जाती है, बेहोश हो जाती है. Okay, so that's why this apple is related. So this number apple is given on number 3, right? Apple is given on number 3, so we will write number 3 on this. Okay, here the area is given, na writing area, we will write number 3 right there in your book. Okay, then this basket is related with what? You know, this basket is related with the little red riding hood. Okay, and where is little red riding hood written? It is written in the last here. Okay, so write down the number which is written on the basket. Number 2 is written near the basket. So we will also write number 2 here. Okay, here. Okay, so we have that way we have matched this basket with this story, Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, then 3, 2, 1, the remaining word. Elves and the shoemaker. अभी name से ही आपको clear है that it is related with the shoe. Okay, so there in the writing area, just write number 4. Okay. Elves and the shoemaker. All these are, you know, very popular fairy tales, and you can watch it on the YouTube if you are interested. So coming on to our chapter. See, as the usual classroom studies, what we used to do in the classroom, how we used to conduct the reading sessions in the classroom. The teacher tells you to stand up and read one paragraph each, but we can't do it here. Okay, so I am reading the paragraphs for you. You have to put your finger over there and you have to run your finger along with my reading. Okay, आपको वहाँ पर finger रखना है अपना जहाँ भी मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, ठीक है? I'll read one paragraphs. I'll read one paragraph and after that I'll explain you the same paragraph. So please come on to page number 16. Kindly open page number 16. Okay. Okay, just simply turn the page. So I'm reading. Okay, I'm starting the reading of the first paragraph. Please open this page. Okay, so put your finger over there. Once upon a time there lived a poor woman. She had a son named Jack and a cow named Milky White. The cow gave milk every morning, which Jack carried to the market to sell. But one morning Milky White gave no milk. Okay, one paragraph, I have finished the reading of the paragraph. Now the name of the fairy tale suggests that the story is revolving around the boy Jack. Okay, Jack is the main character of the story. Okay, and beanstalk is the magical thing here. Acha, in the 1-inch warrior chapter, what was the magical thing? The magical hammer was the magical thing there, right? Here in the story, the beanstalk is a magical thing. Beanstalk means beans होती है ना? You study beans in EVS, right? Beans. Okay, these are beans. Okay, so beans. Beanstalk means the stem of that bean. Okay, the stem of that plant, bean plant. Okay, so once upon a time there lived a poor woman. Once upon a time. What does this phrase means? एक बार की बात है. There lived a poor woman. Poor means गरीब. Okay, so एक poor woman रहती थी. एक बार की बात है. Once there lived a poor woman. She had a son named Jack. She had a son named Jack. What was the name of the son? of the poor woman के बेटे का, what was the name of her son? The name of the son is Jack. The same, the main lead of our story. Okay, so she had a son named Jack. They had one more thing. Okay, they had a cow with them. A cow named Milky White. What was the name of the cow? Milky White. Why the cow was named Milky White? Cow का name Milky White क्यों था? Because the cow was as white as milk. काऊ उनकी जो थी वो मिल्क की तरह वाइट थी, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर एक भी बिल्कुल ब्लैक या रेड या ऐसा कोई स्पॉट नहीं था. इट वॉज जस्ट प्योर वाइट काऊ एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल काऊ. ओके, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट डज अ काऊ गिव्स अस? काऊ गिव्स अस मिल्क, राइट? सो द काऊ गिव मिल्क एवरी मॉर्निंग. हर सुबह एवरी मॉर्निंग द काऊ गिव मिल्क. काऊ मिल्क देती थी. द काऊ गिव मिल्क. And what Jack and his mom used to do with that milk? Jack और उसकी मम्मा क्या करती थी उस मिल्क के साथ? They used to go to the market. They take the milk to the market and they sell the milk. Sell means what? Sell means बेच देना. They used to take the milk to the market. वो मिल्क को मार्केट में लेके जाते थे and they used to sell the milk. वो मिल्क को बेच देते थे, ठीक है. Now can you tell me, जब भी हम कुछ चीज बेचते हैं, in return what we usually get? रिटर्न में हमें क्या मिलता है? कोई चीज बेचता है, when someone sells a thing, in return what did the person get? The person get money. Okay, the person gets money in return. So Jack used to go to the market every morning and he used to sell the milk. वो मिल्क को बेचता था और वहाँ से वो थोड़े पैसे लेकर आता था, ठीक है, दूध को बेचकर. देन अच्छा पैसे लाता था तो इसी चीज़ से वो लोग का गुजारा चलता था, ठीक है. दे ऑन दैट मनी विच दे गेट फ्रॉम द काउ, फ्रॉम द मिल्क ऑफ द काउ, ऑन दैट मनी दे आर टोटली डिपेंडेंट. वो टोटली डिपेंडेंट थे उस पैसे पर, ठीक है, वो पैसा जो दूध को बेच कर आता था. And from where did they get that milk? वो मिल्क कहाँ से आता था? The milk used to come from the cow, Milky White. Okay, so this is what will happen regularly in that story. But one morning, Milky White gave no milk. एक बार क्या हुआ? Milky White ने बिल्कुल भी मिल्क नहीं दिया. The one morning Milky White gave no milk. Okay, now just try to imagine what would have happened that day. उस दिन मिल्की वाइट ने कोई मिल्क नहीं दिया. दैट मीन्स जैक वॉज नॉट एबल टू कैरी दैट मिल्क टू द मार्केट. जैक मार्केट नहीं लेकर गया दूध. वाई? बिकॉज मिल्क था ही नहीं. मिल्की वाइट डिडंट गिव एनी मिल्क. ओके, सो दैट डे they had no money that day, and no money means no food. Okay, no money means no food. They had no money that day and they had no food that day. And what will happen if they will have no food that day? They had nothing to eat that day. Okay, they were all hungry that day. So Jack's mother got in tension. Okay, I'm reading the next paragraph. Please put your finger over there. After that I'll explain that paragraph. Please put your finger over there on the word they. So they had no milk and no food in the house. Go and sell the cow, she said. On his way, Jack met an old man. Good morning, Jack, he said. Jack wondered how he knew his name. Where are you going? Said the man. I'm going to the market to sell our cow, Jack replied. Okay, well, I can take your cow, said the man, but I can only give you these 5 bean seeds for your cow, he added. Okay, so till this line I have finished the reading. Now I am going to explain the second paragraph. Okay, so what happened in the first paragraph? Milky White gave no milk. Okay, now they had no money, no food in the house. Okay, उनके घर में दूध नहीं बेचा था आज जैक ने जाकर. So what happened? They had no money in the house. घर में उनके पास फिर कोई पैसा नहीं आया. Okay, then no money means no food. They had no food in the house as well. So Jack's mother thought कि if there will be no food, what will I eat and what will I with what I will feed my child. जैक को मैं क्या खिलाऊंगी अगर घर में फूड ही नहीं होगा. Okay, so Jack's mother, the poor woman, got in tension. Okay, so suddenly she decided. उन्होंने डिसाइड किया और जैक को कहा go and sell the cow. Okay, what did she tell Jack? Go and sell the cow. Okay, go, जाओ और जाकर काऊ को बेच दो. Okay, so Jack's mother told Jack to do this. काऊ को बेचने के लिए कह दिया जैक की मदर ने जैक को. So जैक ने बात मान ली. On his way, Jack met an old man. जैक निकल गया काऊ को बेचने. He took the cow with him and he was just going and going. Okay, so रास्ते में on his way, Jack met an old man. On his way means रास्ते में. So on his way Jack met means मिलना. Okay, Jack met means मिलना. किससे मिला? Jack met an old man. Okay, so old man said something to Jack. What? Good morning, Jack. Okay, or Jack was going. He just saw the old man. उसने सिर्फ old man को देखा था, बस he was going. But then from there, old man said that good morning, Jack. Okay, now Jack was wondering कि how the old man knew his name. Wondering, W-O-N-D-E-R-E-D. Wonder. This is the word given in your book. Wondered means सोचना. ठीक है. So the Jack was wondering. Jack wondered that time कि old man को मेरा नाम कैसे पता, मैं तो इनसे कभी मिला भी नहीं. Okay, so he was wondering this. Where are you going? Said the man. Okay, he said good morning to Jack and then after that he said where are you going? कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम? I am going to the market to sell our cow. So what did Jack replied? Jack ने क्या बोला? I am going to the market to sell our cow. मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ अपनी काऊ को बेचने के लिए. ठीक है. I am going to the market to sell our cow. Our means हमारी गाय. हमारी means किसकी? The cow of the Jack and the old woman. Cow of Jack and Jack's mother. So our cow. Okay, not my cow. So well, I can take your cow, said the man. Now what did the man said? I can take your cow. मैं तुम्हारी काऊ को ले सकता हूँ, खरीद सकता हूँ. Okay, but I can give you these 5 bean seeds for your cow. What was the old man giving in return of the cow? Old man was giving only 5 bean seeds. Okay, old man क्या दे रहा था? काऊ के बदले में instead of giving money, पैसे देने की बजाय he was giving only 5 bean seeds. What are the bean seeds? See, these type of seeds. He was giving only 5 seeds of this type to Jack in return of the cow. Okay. What was old man giving? 5 bean seeds. अच्छा, beans क्या होती है? जैसे राजमा होता है. आपने खाया है राजमा? Have you ever eaten राजमा? That is a kind of bean. Then मूंग चोले, that is also kind of bean seeds. Okay, so the same way these are also bean seeds. So these type of bean seeds old man was giving to Jack. ठीक है. Now please come on to the next page, page number 17. Page number 17. Okay, I am starting the reading of the first 3 paragraphs. 1, 2 and 3. 3 paragraphs I will read. What will I do with these? Asked Jack. If you plant them overnight, by morning they will grow and reach up to the sky. Jack took the bean seeds and went home happily. He gave them to his mother. Okay, now what happened? जब old man ने बोला, when old man said that I can give you only 5 bean seeds for your cow. So Jack was thinking that what will I do of these? मैं इन 5 बीन सीड्स का क्या करूँगा, मुझे तो पैसे चाहिए सो दैट आई कैन बाय सम फूड। ओके, उसे तो पैसे चाहिए थे ताकि वो थोड़ा सा फूड खरीद सके उस दिन के लिए, है ना। सो जैक वॉज थिंकिंग, जैक टोल्ड दिस टू ओल्ड मैन कि व्हाट विल आई डू ऑफ दीज 5 बीन सीड्स। इफ यू प्लांट देम ओवरनाइट, बाय मॉर्निंग दे विल ग्रो एंड रीच अप टू द स्काई। ओके, देन ओल्ड मैन ने क्या बोला, दीज आर नॉट ऑर्डिनरी सीड्स, ये सीड्स जो है ऑर्डिनरी नहीं है, दे आर मैजिकल। ओके, what types of seeds are there? They are the magical seeds. Okay, now just think. Okay, just think you have some ordinary seeds. आपके पास seeds है, this is your garden, this is the ground. Okay, you take the soil here, आप यहाँ पे मिट्टी खोदते हैं, आपने यहाँ पर seed को लगा दिया। In ordinary life I am talking about, in our normal real life we are talking about this. So you have sown this seed, आपने ये seed को मिट्टी में लगा दिया, गाड़ दिया, ठीक है। अभी क्या होगा, it will take at least some 6 to 7 days to sprung up. Okay, this seed will take at least 6 to 7 days to grow. ये seed से plant निकलने में, छोटा सा plant निकलने में at least 6 से 7 दिन लगेंगे, right? But how these type of seeds are these bean seeds are magical? How are they magical? Old man explained that. Old man ने explain किया कि ये magical कैसे हैं। Okay, so old man said, if you plant them overnight, what does this word means? Okay, if you will plant them at night, अगर रात में तुम इन्हें plant करोगे, so what will happen? पूरी रात में, रात भर में, overnight what will happen? By the morning they will grow and reach up the sky. Okay, if you will plant them, see, for suppose Jack will plant the seed like this, all the 5 seeds like this. For example, Jack ने इस तरह से seeds plant कर दिए, तो how old man explain what will happen? Old man ने कैसे explain किया क्या होगा? रात में हम इसे लगाएंगे, then by the morning में what will happen? All these will grow up in a big beanstalk. All these seeds will grow up in a big beanstalk. Okay, that will reach the sky. Okay, so what is this? It is a big beanstalk. I'm sorry for my bad drawing, but this is a big beanstalk जो जमीन से लेकर sky तक पहुंच रहा है, ठीक है। नॉर्मली क्या होता है, नॉर्मली व्हाट हैपेंड, एक छोटा सा सीड भी हम लगाते हैं तो इट टेक्स 6 to 7 days to just grow it a little bit, but in one night the old man was promising Jack that these magical seeds will grow up overnight and they will reach up the sky. वो इतनी बड़ी हो जाएंगी कि वो आसमान तक पहुंचेंगी, ठीक है, वो स्काई तक पहुंचेंगी, इतनी बड़ी हो जाएंगी, ठीक है। So Jack got so impressed and he got so excited कि wow, this is something magical and it is worth giving the cow to the old man and getting the seeds, getting the magical seeds from the old man. Okay, so Jack took the bean seeds and went home happily. Jack ने seeds ले लिए old man से और खुशी खुशी घर चला गया। क्यों गया खुशी खुशी? क्योंकि उसे लगा कि ये magical seeds है, इतनी बड़ी bean stalk बन जाएगी, इससे हमें कुछ तो फायदा होगा, ठीक है। Jack was so naive, बहुत बोला था वो ओल्ड मैन की बातों में आया और उसने खरीद लिए ये 5 bean seeds. Okay, these 5 magical bean seeds. But he gave them to his mother, और उसने घर जाकर अपनी मदर को वो 5 bean seeds दे दिए। He had given all the 5 bean seeds to his mother. Okay, now I am reading the next 2 paragraphs. Please put your finger over there, here on the 1, 2, 3, 4th paragraph. Please put your finger over the 4th paragraph on the first line. What? Shouted Jack's mother. How can we live on 5 seeds? She threw the seeds out of the window. Sadly, Jack went to his little room and went off to sleep. Okay. The next morning, Jack saw something strange from his window. The beans had sprung up into a big beanstalk which went up and up till it reached the sky. Okay. So I am going to explain that paragraphs to you. Now, what did Jack's mother वो सीड्स दे दिए. ओके, बट मदर वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग एल्स. जैक की मदर, व्हाई डिड शी टेल जैक टू सेल द काउ? उन्होंने काउ को बेचने के लिए क्यों बोला था? सो दैट दे विल गेट सम मनी इन रिटर्न, ताकि रिटर्न में उन्हें कुछ मनी मिल जाए, जिससे थोड़े टाइम तक तो उनका फूड आ सके. ओके, नॉट फॉर वन डे बट फॉर सम डेज they will easily get some food to eat. Okay, but Jack has done something very unexpected. Okay, Jack ने कुछ बहुत unexpected कर दिया. Now Jack has given the 5 bean seeds to his mother. Jack ने उसकी मम्मी को वो 5 bean seeds दे दिए, और and he was very happy at that time. बहुत खुशी दिए कि see mama what I have got some 5 magical bean seeds. But her mother shouted, what? How can we live on 5 seeds? मतलब हम 5 seeds पर कैसे जिंदा रहेंगे इतने दिन? Okay, you should have got some money instead of these stupid bean seeds. Okay, ऐसा कुछ कहा जैक की मम्मी ने. So she was very angry at that time. Jack's mother was very angry at that time. Okay, she just threw the seeds out of the window. Threw, T-H-R-E-W, threw. Okay, threw is the third form of the word throw. Throw means फेंक देना, threw means फेंक दिया. ठीक है, उन्होंने फेंक दिया उन 5 बीन सीड्स को खिड़की से बाहर, क्योंकि उन्हें लगा ये बहुत यूजलेस थिंग्स है. These are all waste. Okay, these are a sort of waste. So sadly, Jack went to his little room and went off to sleep. अभी जैक ने जब ये देखा कि his mother is considering all the 5 magical bean seeds as a waste, useless thing, तो he got a little sad. वो थोड़ा sad हो गया कि क्योंकि Jack was very excited ना, जब उसने old man से वो seeds लिए, and when he was returning home, he expected his mother to give him शाबाशी. Okay, उसने सोचा कि मम्मी बहुत खुश होगी, शाबाशी देगी, बट ये तो कुछ और ही हो गया. Okay, so his mother just threw the seeds out of the window. Jack went very sad. Jack has gone very sad because of that. वो Jack जो है बहुत दुखी हो गया, बहुत उदास हो गया, and he just went off to sleep. और वो सोने के लिए चला गया. Okay. The next morning, what happened? Next morning, जब वो रात में सो गया, सुबह उठा, तब उसने क्या देखा? Okay. Let me draw it for you so that you can imagine it. I hope you are understanding the story. I will give a quick revision of the story in the end of the video. Okay. So this is the house of Jack, and just imagine this is Jack's room. This is the window of Jack's room. Okay. Just imagine. This is the Jack's room's window. This is their garden. ये उनका garden है. ये Jack का room है. ठीक है. जैक की मदर ने इसी रूम से 5 बीन सीड्स इधर फेंके थे. ओके, जैक्स मदर हैज थ्रू 5 बीन सीड्स एट दिस प्लेस. नाउ ओवरनाइट, रात भर में व्हाट हैपेंड? समथिंग वेरी स्ट्रेंज एंड मैजिकल हैपेंड. व्हाट हैपेंड ओवरनाइट? ओके, व्हाट हैपेंड ओवरनाइट व्हेन जैक When Jack woke up, जब जैक नींद से उठा सुबह, what did he see? उसने देखा कि इतना बड़ा bean stalk, a very big bean stalk has grown up. Okay, a big bean stalk has grown up outside the window. घर के बाहर, विंडो के बाहर, a very big bean stalk has grown up. And it was reaching up the sky, और वो आसमान तक जा रहा था, इतना बड़ा हो गया वो. So Jack was wondering कि old man की बात तो एकदम सच निकली. Oh my God, a very big beanstalk has grown up. So okay, so see, I guess the time is over. Let's recall the chapter a little bit. Whatever we have understood today, let's just recall it. इसके बाद क्या हुआ, that we will study in the next lecture. Okay, so I'm just giving you a quick revision of what happened today in the story. There was a poor woman, his son was Jack, and their cow was Milky White. Okay, एक पुअर वुमेन थी, उनके बेटे का नाम जैक था और उनकी एक काऊ थी जिसका नाम था मिल्की वाइट। सो मिल्की वाइट वन डे गेव नो मिल्क, एक दिन मिल्की वाइट ने कोई मिल्क नहीं दिया। ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंड दैट डे, देयर वाज नो फूड, देयर वाज नो मनी दैट डे, ओके, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो मिल्क टू सेल इन द मार्केट। मार्केट में बेचने के लिए कोई मिल्क, कुछ मिल्क था ही नहीं। सो देयर वाज नो मनी दैट डे, देयर वाज नो फूड दैट डे। सो जैक्स मदर टोल्ड जैक टू गो एंड सेल द काउ। जैक की मम्मी ने जैक को बोला कि जाओ काउ को बेच दो। ओके, सो ऑन हिज वे ही मेट अ ओल्ड मैन, ही मेट एन ओल्ड मैन। रास्ते में जैक मिला एक ओल्ड मैन से। ओल्ड मैन वाज विलिंग टू परचेस द काउ, ओल्ड मैन काउ खरीदना चाहता था। एंड इन रिटर्न व्हाट द ओल्ड मैन वाज गिविंग, रिटर्न में ओल्ड मैन क्या देना चाहता था, 5 bean seeds. Okay, so Jack took the bean seeds because he thought that the bean seeds are magical and it will do something magical in our life. जैक को लगा कि बीन सीड्स मैजिकल है तो बहुत अच्छा है, मैं ले लेता हूँ, इससे मुझे कुछ तो फायदा होगा, ठीक है। सो जैक took the bean seeds home and he has given the bean seeds to his mother, but his mother shouted that what have you done man, this is not right, you should have taken money instead of bean seeds. मम्मी ने कहा कि तुमने क्या कर दिया, तुम्हें इन बीन सीड्स को नहीं लेना चाहिए था, काऊ के बदले में तुम्हें कुछ पैसे लाना चाहिए थे घर में, सो दैट हम थोड़े दिन तक हमारा गुजारा कर सके उन पैसों से, सो दैट वी कैन परचेस फूड फ्रॉम दैट मनी एंड वी कैन लिव एटलीस्ट फॉर सम डेज, ओके। बट जैक हैज डन समथिंग वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड। फिर उसकी मदर ने बीन सीड्स लिए और इसी खिड़की से बाहर फेंक दिए। जैक वॉज वेरी सैड, ही वेंट टू स्लीप, ओके, वो सोने चला गया फिर उस रात। बट देन इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन ही वोक अप, मॉर्निंग में जब वो उठा तब उसने क्या देखा, दैट अ वेरी वेरी बिग बीन स्टॉक हैज ग्रोन अप एंड इट वाज रीचिंग अप टिल द स्काई। वो देख रहा था कहाँ खत्म हो रही है, बट वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रही थी, इट वाज जस्ट रीचिंग अप द स्काई, ओके। So what happened next we are going to study in the next lecture because the time for today is over. So I hope you have enjoyed and I hope you are a little curious to know what happened next. मुझे लग रहा है कि आप थोड़े से क्यूरियस हो गए हो कि आगे क्या हुआ है, आपको जानना है। तो we will study that in the next lecture. Till then read the chapter जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ाया, read the chapter till that point and we will study the rest of the things in the next lecture. So bye bye, take care and see ya.